In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use start dates for better planning in Trello. If you're looking to take your productivity to the next level, using start dates in Trello is a fantastic way to stay on top of your tasks. Start dates help you clearly define when work begins, ensuring that you're always prepared and ahead of schedule. Whether you're managing a team project, planning personal goals, or simply organizing your day-to-day tasks, Trello's start date feature can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to set it up effectively. First, open your browser and head over to www.trell.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Login button. You'll see a variety of options to sign in. Choose your preferred method, whether it's through a single sign-on provider or your standard account credentials. Once you've entered your details, click Login to access your Trello workspace. Now that you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can find all your recent boards. Take a moment to locate the board where you want to plan your work. Once you've found it, click on the board to open it. Then, browse through the cards on that board and select the one you'd like to schedule. When you've chosen a card, click on it to open the card details. This section is sometimes referred to as the card back, and it's where all the important information is stored. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the dates option. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Simply click the plus add option to bring up the dates field and attach it to your card. Once the dates option is visible, click on it to open the date picker tool. Now, let's set your start date. In the date picker, you'll see an option labeled Start Date. Click on that and then choose the date you want the work to begin. If your task requires a specific time, you can also set that here. Adding a time can be particularly useful if you want reminders to keep you on track. Speaking of reminders, take a moment to configure the reminder interval. Trello allows you to choose when you'd like to be notified, whether it's minutes, hours, or even a day in advance. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your changes. This step ensures that your start date is locked in. After saving, double-check that the start date is now visible on your card. With that done, you're all set. As the start date approaches, Trello will automatically send you notifications to help you stay prepared. Of course, plans can change, and Trello makes it easy to adjust. If you need to modify the start date or reminder, simply reopen the card and click on Dates again. From there, you can make any updates you need. And if you find that the task no longer requires a start date, you can clear it entirely. Finally, remember that start dates work wonderfully when paired with due dates. This combination helps you distinguish between when a task begins and when it must be completed, giving you a clear picture of your timeline. And there you have it, everything you need to know about using start dates in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.